अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप, सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
I'll just show you quickly that how it has to be done, right? So I'll show you the modifier first. So this is the modifier, and you touch down, touch your elbow down. This way you're really working on your core. Make it really intensify. Alright, let's start. Push, push, push. Count for yourself. Right, awesome. Go slow, go slow. Go slow, don't run. Awesome, awesome. Look at the form, look at this. The perfect straight line, and he's just twisting and touching his elbow down, and perfect form. इसे कहते हैं perfect form. So this is what you want to aim for, right? Keep going. So see, he is counting. Look at this. Look at the form. Look at the precision. I love this. Lie down flat on your back. Legs straight रखना है, and neck little bit up, and just you have to support your neck with your hands. Don't push. Okay, don't push. And ज़्यादा stress आ रहा है, you can keep it down and keep your hands like this and get into the exercise. Look at the form. You have to lift your leg straight up and down. Alternate leg lift. We are doing alternate leg lift. जितना भी ऊपर आप कर सको, अगर आपका पैर सिर्फ इतना ऊपर जा रहा है, you can do this. Alright? Let's do it. Go slow and control. Don't do it with the momentum. जैसे ये ऐसे नहीं करना है. Don't do this like this. You know? Go slow and control. You can count. You can count louder. Okay? This is very simple move, but very effective for your obliques. Alright? So हमें क्या करना है? You have to go down like this on your hands and knees, and you have to kick. Come push, push. Oh, sorry, I accidentally kicked. I think मैंने road rash बहुत ही ज़्यादा seriously ले लिया है. So I think what I can do is I can go a little slow, little bit more careful that I don't actually kick her. Right? Oh wow, this is pretty good move for your butt as well. Alright? Awesome, you're doing pretty good at a good pace. Awesome. अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट सीरीज पसंद आ रही है तो कमेंट करें और अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ में शेयर करें. टिल देन, स्टे होम, स्टे फिट. सी यू सून.